Oh, I'm falling. Okay. Hey, why am I stuck to the?
Bros,
Oh, that's a lot of it. Hey, okay, we're good. Mr. Sweater! Mr. Sweater! We need to get up there. Like, now! Open the door!
Open it! Get him in!
shut up!
Shut it!
Monster?
We got promo monster out here. Shut up! Construction worker is gone. The one who would sacrifice himself and run around like looking like a crazy person just to get this monster away.
I'm out. Good fucking luck, man. Good fucking luck.
I think we're good.
Purple.
Hey, we're good.
Go through those.
Where'd you come from? Okay, purple.
Oh, I was just looking over here at the green place.
Open it!
Open the door.
What?
Open the
Oh,
door!
I'm showing with these guys,
No.
Ding, 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 ding.
Open the door. Yo.
You
Have you
suck.
ever explored the whole map?
Bye!
Okay.
Sorry, brother. Long live the king. No one's go. Oh, that's
They
it.
can go through that.
Oh, come on!
Fuck that! Go!
So I'm stuck.
Security checkpoint. Get in.
Alright, we're good.
No, it just keeps opening.
Okay, freaking alert!
Monk, boy star.
Go.
Save the circle, boy star.
No, it just
Let's go.
There's nothing there.
Go.
Alright,
when they randomly.
I can't see it.
There's nothing over there. You guys are overreacting.
Let me see.
No levers.
Yeah,
Oh.
see, look,
all good.
it's all fine.
Okay,
it's
the
a
door's
Yeah,
wait,
it's
how do you get rid of
It's
it?
A-okay, guys. It's A-okay.
do you get rid of
Besides, the
Just
gate
plug
is
my
shut. What have you done?
Just keep him out.
Yeah, let's keep him out.
Good.
It's kind of
You
gay.
mad because I smoke your man left on my ass?
Is your chest? What is that? Or these were Fruit Loops
Yeah.
or
Watch this
Fruity
kid.
Pebbles?
Look at that.
Come here,
Where are you? Here, no.
Oh!
It's this kid. It's this kid.
Don't
It's
leave me.
this kid. Yo, he has hacks or something. He can't.
Wait!
He has hacks. I saw him. He can't die. He can't die.
Thank you, mate. Run, my brother! Run!
Wait.
Nah, he ain't coming after. He's coming after us. Go!
And plus,
Boy star.
My brother. Don't leave my brother. Look like you were moonwalking.
We're good.
Why were you just?
Ow. Here.
I'm armed.
You're armed? I don't believe you.
You good?
Oh, it's Cheetah Puff. It's fine.
Cheetah Puff, come here!
I can't play this game like I used to. I'm not good. I lost all my skills. Not that I was ever good. I'm too old for
I
this.
said-
I'm not old, but
How old are
still.
you? You like what?
15?
15? Bro, I'm 14.
15,
About to
I
turn
know.
15. About to turn 15 in a few months.
But I'm like fresh 15. That makes you feel better.
Aha!
I said I'm armed and dangerous.
Under the sea! Under the sea!
Please be steady watching me every day that clock.
I think I have anxiety. Here. Oh. I died. The monster's gone. Yeah, the monster's gone. Oh, I just keep drowning.
Oh my god! Chat, watch it.
Oh, shoot!
Is he in the slide?
If he is, that would be funny as heck, bro.
Sure. He's coming!
Ah!
Oh shit! Oh
Who wants to see
no!
a
No!
ball
Don't leave me in
flight?
here!
Who wants
Come on.
to see a ball flight?
Come on, my brother! My brother!
Oh,
No! My brother, quick! Ah, my brother. Alright.
oh
So-
they are in here.
I'm gonna chill right here. You just smack me?
No. Oh.
You sure? You sure you didn't smack me?
Are you sure?
What well?
Are you sure?
Pretty sure.
Another one.
Bah!
Another 4. Another 4.
Dude, watch this majestic like Olympic dive.
Imagine if you
Oh,
imagine
Jesus walking.
under the sea.
Ow, wait, wait.
Alright, this is our chance to go.
Right, I don't think no. Oh! I didn't think it was our time to go.
Hold on.
I-
I put
Okay.
my charger in. It came out.
Okay, so.
What you play with?
What's wrong with that?
My little Caesars. It's getting cold. Oh, what?
Oh, you Little Caesars?
Really different.
I can warm it up.
Right.
Get out there.
I can't move, bro.
Who can lead me to Russian
I'm stuck to the.
roulette?
I'm stuck to the. I'm
Me, I
glued to the.
can. I
Russian
can.
roulette? There's
I'm
Russian
raising
roulette?
my
I
hand.
don't
Go to
think Russian
Russian roulette, bro. Okay, come.
Here.
Follow me.
Here, let's go.
That's not Russian roulette.
This is the game
No
where we,
way.
like,
I want to
piggyback
go
on
to
each other,
Russian.
right?
This
Come on.
also leads to
Fall
Russian
white.
roulette, you know. I'll show you. We have to be extra
So I'm
careful.
stuck.
My brother.
My brother, help! My arm's stuck.
Bro, just
But then my
end-
arm is
we're
stuck.
entering the
Brother!
brother.
Brother, my arm's stuck.
No!
Brother! My arm's stuck.
What's the play?
Okay, come on, my brother.
My brother. I don't know where they went.
Oh gosh darn it! My arm's stuck again.
No, where?
I'm right here.
Dude, they were like our tour guide. I haven't played this game in like almost a year now.
Oh, we go over
They're
here.
gone. I don't know.
Follow me. I know where to go. Follow me. Just gotta walk like
I'm gonna
this.
get stuck again.
I gotta walk like this. Trust me. I know what I'm doing.
Walk like an NPC.
What?
Walk like an NPC.
I got to go to work.
I'm so scared of them gonna.
Oh! Jesus! My brother! You left me, my brother! You betrayer. You traitor.
Can't.
There we go. Is this gonna be normal? I think it's gonna be normal. Wait. Am I stuck?
No!
I think I have to stop recording. Oh,
Roxanne. Close! Who closed the door? I'm going to go like
yo, I gotta see you guys later.